Welcome back children. I hope you are doing well. In previous video, we have learned more about MS Windows. I hope you all understood the lesson. Now, in this video, we will study about importance of Internet. The Internet is the best technology that we have at present. It is used for collecting information on any topic. Let us learn something more about the Internet in this chapter. Internet stands for International Network or Interconnected Network, or you can say Network of Networks, with millions of computers connected around the world through telephone lines, radio waves, and satellites. In this network of computers, information is shared between them in many different ways. This network is called the Internet. It connects computer networks, LANs, WANs, and MANs. Stand along PCs and similar devices all over the world together by the means of wires, telephone lines, cables, microwaves, and satellite communications. In the recent year, the term information superhighway has also been applied to the Internet. The characteristics that make it a unique network are: number one, Internet is not owned by any individual or any organization. Number two, there is no limit to the number of users that can be added to it. Number three, it has no geographical limitations. Uses of the Internet. Number one, any information related to any topic or subject is available. Number two, across the world, you can send and receive messages anytime. Number three, online shopping and everything will be available at your doorstep. Number four, online booking and cancellation of tickets can be done. Number five, the Internet allows to download various software of art and entertainment like songs, games, movies, etc. Number six, it helps in promoting business. Number seven, it helps the users all around the world to communicate with each other via email, video conferencing, chat rooms, etc. Number eight, it acts as the biggest source of news and advertisement. Anyone can connect his or her PC to the Internet, but there are few basic requirements that are needed to be fulfilled. The essentials for connecting to the net are: number one, a multimedia PC with a special software known as the web browser, that is Internet Explorer, Netscape, Navigator, Firefox, etc. Next, a modem or communication network hardware, a telephone line or an ISDN line, that is, in which case the modem is not required. What is needed for an internet connection? You need following things to connect your computer to the internet. Number 1, telephone line. Number 2, modem or router. Number 3, ISP subscription. Number 4, web browsing software. Number 1, telephone line. The computer is connected to the modem and the modem is connected to the telephone line. For transferring data from one computer to another telephone line is required. Number 2, modem. Modem stands for modulator or demodulator of the network of computers are connected through modem changes the digital signals to analog signals and vice versa for sending the receiving information through the telephone lines. Modems are of two types: internal modem, external modem. Internal modem. The modem which fits inside the computer is called internal modem. Nowadays, most of the computers have internal modems. External modem. The modem which is placed outside the computer is an external modem. The speed of the modem is measured in bps, bits per second. Number 3, ISP subscription. The agencies which control the telephonic communication with satellite are called the Internet Service Providers, ISPs. Here are some companies like ISPs are BSNL, that is Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, Airtel, Reliance, MTNL, etc. Number 4, web browsing software. To access internet, web browsing software is required. To locate the different type of web pages, we can go to the internet. It provides us with a graphical user interface to navigate through different websites. The most common web browsers are Internet Explorer and Google Chrome. World Wide Web. WWW was developed at CERN, the European Laboratory for Particles Physics at Geneva, in the early 1990s. It is a large-scale distributed information service that works upon the interconnected servers of the Internet. It allows access to documents that are created using HTML or its successors. These are also called web pages and may contain text, forms, graphics, animations, videos or sound along with links to other web pages. It is a system of interlinked pages that displays different types of information which can be accessed through internet by people all over the world. It is a collection of various types of websites. Website. Collecting of web pages is called website. Web page. The information which is available in the form of text, graphics, videos, etc. on the any page on the internet is called a web page. Home page. The home page is the first page of any website. Web browser. A web browser is a software that allows us to view and explore information on the web. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP specifies the rule used to transfer information on the www. We can commonly see the letters HTTP in the website address. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. A URL is the unique address given to each web page. It helps us to access availability on a web page. Some common examples of URL are http://www.google.com, http://www.yahoo.com. How to start? Double click the ISP's icon on the desktop to open the connection to the dialog box. Enter the username and password in the designated boxes. Click the Connect button in the dialog box. Once the username and password are verified, you will be connected to the internet. The icon blinking in the taskbar will be seen. Open the web browser, Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox by double-clicking on the icon or on the desktop. The browser will open and display a web site. You can type the URL of the desired website in the address box. Press the Enter key or click the Go button. The web page will appear in the windows after some time. Net surfing. When you move from one page to another and from one site to another using link page on World Wide Web is called net surfing. The browser opens the home page as soon as the website opens. With this, we end with this chapter. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, thank you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.